Now let's see the sum and difference of sines and cosines. How do we convert them into a different form? So it says that if you have sine alpha plus beta plus sine alpha minus beta, that is basically equal to 2 sine alpha cos beta. And you can apply similar logics on all of these, right? So 2 cos alpha sine beta is equal to sine alpha plus beta minus sine alpha minus beta. 2 cos alpha cos beta is equal to cos alpha plus beta plus cos alpha minus beta. And minus 2 sine alpha sine beta is equal to cos alpha plus beta minus cos alpha minus beta, right? So basically you have just this alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta, and you just apply the sine and cos terms with either a positive sign or a negative sign between them, right? Positive, negative. And you need to convert them into one term instead of two separate terms. So this is how you do it. These are all the sum and difference formulas. And again, all of these can be traced back to the fundamental theory. And we'll not really go into the detail of that. You just know how to do that, and it's very simple to memorize, right? It's not really that difficult. It's just the same thing in just different formats. Okay. And if you just want to find out how we got here, you can apply the fundamental theorem and all the different identities on all of these right hand side expressions, right? And you can eventually find out why they're equal to these, right? But let's just do a question so you can understand how these are used. It says that express this product as sums or differences. So now you need to apply the thing that we did before. So it says 2 sine theta cos theta. And we already know that 2 sine alpha cos beta is equal to sine alpha plus beta plus sine alpha minus beta, right? And these are just subtle differences, but you need to know how to get them. Okay, so since 2 sine alpha cos beta, we can replace alpha over here with 3 theta and this beta over here with theta. And so you get this. And then just add them up. So this 2 sine 3 theta cos theta is equal to sine of, instead of alpha, you have 3 theta, and instead of beta, you have theta. Instead of alpha, again 3 theta, and instead of beta, you have theta. So in the end, you get sine 4 theta plus sine 2 theta, and that's really just as simple as that.